So I'm just going to do a video on Catizen to show you how it works. So when you first log into the app, you will see something like this, and then you can see that under this one says free and this one says 1000. So it is free one now that you will collect. Yes. So also when you first log in, you also see airdrop bonus. You will see free, you will see claim, you will see this one that has 50 fish. So the one that is free is the one you will collect. So let me collect it.
Merci beaucoup.
Let me mute this first. Okay. So this is how to play the game. You see this place that they say generates, right? To use it, because you can actually use it, but that's based on you, because if you use it, you are going to be using your coins. This place that you see 38, this is your real coins here. This one now, what is mining for you per second. Now you see this thing like an airplane. When you are in the app, you can enter into it, and then you see this place that they say free. You can collect it for 10 minutes for free, and then you will see that the application, the people that are coming to buy the cart, very soon now you see that their work will speed up and everything will become very, very fast. Very, very, very fast. So now how you play the game is that you merge the cards together, the same level. You can see this one is level 6 now. This one is 6, right? This one too is 6. So if I want to merge, I'll merge these 6 together. It has turned to 7. I have 7 here, so I will merge these 7 together. It has become 8. So I have so many 8 here, so I'll merge these 8 together. Merge this 8 too. You get? And as you are merging, you will notice that your seconds here is increasing. So as it's adding to this place now, the more you have, the more coin is mining for you per second, the more you'll be able to claim when you come online. That's when you're offline, to mine more for you. So you will notice that this thing is changing as I'm merging it. So I'll merge this 9 now together. Now I have 10. I'll merge the 10 together. You see that it's changing, but now I have 11. I've played it before, so I already have these levels already. So I'll merge these 12 together. I have 12, so I'll merge it. So that's 13. So now I don't have another 13 to merge it to be 14. Assuming I have another 13, I would have merged the 13. The 13 will become 14. That I will now merge the two 14 together. Then it will now give me a new level, which is 15. And that 15 now we add to this per second. So you can see that, as I was saying now, you can see that the way the people that are coming to buy the cards now, their working now is very fast. It's because of this boost that I did. You can see their activities now are very, very fast, very, very fast. So that boost, 100% boost for 10 minutes is what is giving it. So you continue to merge like that, from levels to levels, till you keep on entering a new level. So if you want to, maybe you cannot wait, because they will actually give you a free they will actually airdrop, like you see this one, this is what is coming now. Is they are airdropping the cards for me free. But if I cannot wait, maybe I'm not patient, then I can just buy from here. You can understand, I don't want to buy because it's going to cost me about you see, It has even bought it for me, and I didn't plan on buying it. So it's going to be using my coins. I'm going to be using my coins to buy it, and I don't think I'm ready to use my coins to buy it. I just rather wait for it to airdrop me the free cat. Then I patiently wait for me to do it level by level. So that's just how to mine cat. This end section, you can go to the end section, and then you will see some tasks there that you can do, and then you can also claim um your daily login bonus, which is 5 fish daily. I don't know if I have this. That was yesterday. Okay, so you can do the tags of the, this one is for retweet. I've not had time to do the tags. So that's just pretty much it. There's nothing as difficult here. It's just the swapping, and that's all. But this where you see generate, it's your main coins you'll be using. But that's actually totally your choice. So I don't think there's any other thing here. And if you come to feed, sometimes you will see a hen. For example, now come to feed, you can see some day give you a cat